guys, so for this week's Art with Kate, I wanted to do a collage for you guys and kind of walk you through my collage process, because I think it might be different than the kind of collages that most people are used to doing, and I think it's really fun. So I'll show you the materials I have laid out on my table. I have my X-Acto knife. Scissors will do just fine for cutting things out, but I like to use my X-Acto knife because I can get really precise. I have rubber cement. That's my preferred glue of choice, but you can use glue stick. I know a lot of people use Mod Podge. I have some colored pencils just because earlier when I was ripping pages out for magazines, I found this Meow Wolf coloring page. So I might color that and incorporate it in a collage. I don't know, but that's why I have the colored pencils out. So these are all pages that I ripped out of magazines today. Some I will pick as background, like this would be a good background for a collage. That's how I start my collages, by the way, too, is I start with a magazine page as a background, and then I kind of like base the collage around that. So since this is like pretty simple, this is a great background. Same with this one, it came from the same spread in the magazine. Some cool art here, that's good for a cutout. These are probably things I'm going to cut out. Cut out. That could go either way. That could be a background, but I don't know. We'll see. I don't even know if I'm going to use that for this video. I'm going to go background for that one. This one, I don't know if I'm going to use the background or the moth back here. I'm going to put it in this pile for now. Okay, so I'm going to get started cutting things out, and then I'll get started on making my collage. Alright guys, so this is my collage that I made tonight. So what I like about this kind of artistic process is it's just kind of fun. Like, I don't go into it with any sort of plan. I start, like I said, by ripping out the magazine pages and then cutting out certain things, pulling certain things for backgrounds, and then I just kind of play around, lay things on top of each other until I make a composition that I like. This is a really good activity to do artistically if you're feeling like an artistic block, because like I said, you can do it without any sort of plan. You just kind of let the images tell you what to do. So yeah, this is one of my favorite things to do. It's super fun, it's super easy. I have this huge stack of things that I've cut out from magazines that I collect. Anytime I get a cool new magazine that I think would be good for collage, I will tear it apart and cut things out of it. And then I just keep whatever I don't use for the next time I want to sit down and collage. And that makes things a little bit easier if you have built up a kind of large amount of images. But yeah, I hope you guys liked the video, and I hope you guys try it yourselves at home.